Asia Book Depot. My friends, this is wonderful bookstore for so many years. What a beauty of books, and it is for those who love the books, and he is the owner of this place. What's your good name, sir?
I am Vipin Kingal.
विपिन
Kingal.
किंगल
Ah,
किंगड़
yeah.
ओके तो किंगल साहब ये कितने साल से है आपका ये शौक बुक्स का
This shop got opened in 1964.
ओह
It was started by my father.
ग्रेट
62 years back.
wonderful so how it transformed from your father to you this legacy
The legacy is in the way that my father used to run this, and a few years back, unfortunately, he passed away.
okay
So after that, I am taking care of the whole store.
wonderful
And, I used to assist him when he used to work here.
and how much time you get to means go through the books
At least
what is your interest how many books you have read by now
I have read quite a lot of number of books. The most good books I have having here
Right.
has been read by me.
wonderful
And that I recommend to those who want to read. And generally I devote 4 to 5 hours for reading
every day like Warren Buffett devotes around 8 hours a day
Yeah, but I am too small
Wonderful.
in front of it.
my son, myself, and my all near and dear ones
Achha.
love book reading.
Oh, great.
I have read around 125 books
Huge.
by now,
That's really
and now I am life coach, giving coaching to and solving the pain points of the people,
this
which
is
is the need of the day.
Yeah, this is what the world needs right now.
Yes.
This is the need of the hour.
And in last around roughly 1.5 year, I could get rid
Uh-huh.
of the people's habits about what I should say bad addictions.
Oh, that's a big
Like
thing, big
smoking,
thing.
chewing tobacco,
Oh, that's a
and then alcohol, non-veg, and drugs.
that is a sacred job you have done.
That is, I'm thinking that when people who do not know all these and they get their family better,
Yeah.
that is my
Oh,
purpose.
fantastic.
So-
you are doing the same thing what has been recommended by the Ikigai.
Yeah.
Have you heard of Ikigai?
It is very good book. When you know the purpose.
I'll
Why?
show you the one.
Yes.
This is the Ikigai. What you said, I'm just connecting with
Right,
that.
right.
Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life.
I tell you, this Ikigai, this The Secret,
Yeah.
these are wonderful books.
Yes,
And what
yes.
else you want that people should read? What you
There's
recommend?
another very good book called The Power of Your Subconscious.
Power of conscious is super,
that's-
super
yeah.
subconscious.
Yes.
When conscious mind to super conscious mind we
Yeah,
change,
that's the
it
great
change everything.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Sir.
this is the one I was thinking about. Like you said, na, what you are doing is
Right.
what you love,
Right.
है ना, and what the world needs, what you can be paid for, what
Right.
you are good at. When
Wonderful.
all these 4 circles intersect, is called Ikigai. This is a
I-
Venn diagram.
Yes, I tell you, sir, Vipinji, this is really wonderful. You are doing a great job, and you get the interview of those people
Yeah.
only for 1 minute
Yeah.
who are regular buyers of here,
Yes.
so that you can publish.
Yes.
Send me. I will also publicize,
so
and so that we can get some betterment.
Oh,
Okay.
definitely.
Thank you,
Sure.
sir. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. See you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye. My dear friend, this shop is in Sector 17, and just after entry you can just see it. Love you all. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. If you read the books, your life will be on another level. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Love you. Bye bye.